What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C. Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all look, today's video just gonna be taking y'all to the gas station with me, all right? Seeing how much this boy cost, the first fill up in the Trackhawk, y'all. All right, man. Kind of been dragging this video. I had to fill up. Well, I haven't really fully filled up. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So I've been putting a little 20 here, a little 10 there, just so I can make sure that my gas light is fully on, so I can make this video for y'all, CEEFAM. So yeah, gas here in Germany, y'all, is really not, it's not the worst. You know what I'm saying? Gas off base, you paying per liter, is definitely expensive. Paying on the Germany economy, super expensive, CEEFAM. You know, but paying on post or paying off post at a SO gas station, for us, it's like discounted gas, you know, pretty much. So yeah, let me know how much y'all boys think. I think this is like a 24-gallon tank, I think, y'all. You know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, CEEFAM. 24, I'm gonna just say 25-gallon, whatever, round up, 25-gallon, y'all, right? So in my mind, it's like, okay, if gas is like $4 a gallon, $25, oh, I'm sorry, 25 gallons times $4 per gallon, that's about 100. Smooth Honda on, CEEFAM. So hey, comment down below, man, what y'all boys think. You know, as y'all see, we in this bit, man. I'll talk about it. I'm lit. Hey, look, y'all new to the channel, bro. Make sure y'all boys like, subscribe, comment, man. Let's get to it. But yeah, CEEFAM, just want to give y'all boys a good look at the car right now, bro. As y'all see, man, we definitely had a lot of snow here in Germany, bro. Shout out to my neighbor. My boy definitely shoveled his stuff this morning, probably me. I'm like, man, I got an all-wheel drive car. I ain't even tripping on it, bro. What? Shovel for what? Got the all-wheelie, man. What we talking about, bro? All-wheel drive. But yeah, I usually park my car, y'all, underneath this little parking carport thing, whatever, right? So yeah, as y'all see, the car's dry. I don't have to shovel snow off my car and off my windshield and my side mirrors and all that, y'all. But yeah, so the next video after this one, y'all, gonna definitely be just giving y'all a full review of the car, man, right? We're gonna be going over every option this car have, everything, good, bad, you know, which is why it came out to the price it came out to, whatever the case may be, CEEFAM, right? So yeah, this boy look good, man. Shit, I really like this gray color, but like I said, definitely plan on getting it wrapped, y'all, for sure. But yeah, just want to give y'all a little slight walk around right quick before we go put gas in this boy, man. And then, like, an interesting fact about this, y'all, right? This car, and I really didn't know, but there's a gas, I guess a gas pump thing right here, right, for your fuel door. So press that. Let me see. I'm gonna press that bit. That bit shit. Yank. Haha. So yeah, that's pretty cool feature, man, right? So let's say open this boy up. And yeah, it says, come on, man, it say no E85, but you know how many Trackhawks Hellcats put E85, whatever, right? But yeah, I plan on running E eventually, man. Not out here in Germany. I think the nearest E station, bro, is probably, I don't even want to know, right? So running E is cool, y'all, but it's not practical, man. If you taking this car on a road trip, if you trying to do X, Y, and Z, it's not really practical, CEEFAM, right? But yeah, let's get to the gas station, bro. I actually got my hair cut at 1:30. Shit, it's currently 12:34. So making this video, y'all, before I go get my hair cut today. I wasn't even tracking it was supposed to be snowing, CEEFAM, like at all, bro. I was on some shit. Let me just, you know, give my guy a chance. I usually cut my own. I've been cutting my own hair, y'all, for the past year now, you know, y'all. So yeah, I'm like, shit, let me give my boy CJ a chance, man. Let him cut me up, see how he do, you know. So but yeah, y'all, this is pretty much on base right now, bro, on post, like a damn blizzard hit us. That's what it looked like. Definitely, y'all. But yeah, I rarely park my car from underneath the carport, man. Like I don't like having to shovel snow and all that extra stuff, CEEFAM. That's not for your boy C Will. I do not like that. But yeah, it look like shit, the roads pretty much are clear, you know. Shout out to the snow plows, whoever them boys hired. Hey, them boys did right, no cap. But yeah, y'all, don't expect no crazy, you know what I mean, no crazy driving this video, boy. Like I said, I'm just taking y'all with me, bro, to the gas station. That's it. You heard me? But yeah, look at this, bro. Look like Winter Wonderland out this bit, for real. But yeah, and then, like, if I ever feel like I'm in a bind or something, bro, definitely got this little snow mode, man, so I can definitely put this boy in snow and then shit, just go from there, for real, y'all. I'm not even tripping, man. Like I really feel safe in this car, y'all. I don't feel like I'm ever in no kind of like, you know, I never feel like there's no way out in this car, y'all. Like never, at least not yet. You know what I'm saying, y'all? But yeah, let's see, man. Just pulled up to the little light gas station. At first I thought my little fuel door thing was to the other side, to the right, but no, I did it smooth on the left. What's up, my boy? Damn. Yeah, like this car, y'all, it really get like I'm not saying it get a lot of attention. I feel like my Hellcat definitely got more attention, but you know, I've been getting oh, go ahead, girl, you good. I've been getting a couple of, oh, hey man, nice car, right? So this is one of them cars, y'all. It's like, if you know type car. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Straight up, you know, you gonna know. You see them yellow Brimbos, you gonna know, goddamn. But yeah, this is our little gas station right here. We only got Super Plus 93 and Super E10 90. That's all we got. And then if you want diesel, you got to go somewhere else. But yeah, let's get right, man. Here it's crazy, y'all. You gotta pump gas first. It's weird that it's like that, y'all, right? Gotta pump your gas first. I think on my registration, y'all, I'm allotted, what that bitch say, 600 liters of gas, y'all. So I think that's a lot of gas. I think my Hellcat was only 400, right? But it's kind of by like your car, pretty much, see, fam. So yeah, the bigger car you got, the more gas you're allotted per month, see, fam. So yeah, let's get out this thing. Oh snap. Let's just see, man. I'm curious, y'all. Like I said, this is the first official fill up, man, of the track, with the track, you know. Something light, something slight. But yeah, see, fam, tell me what y'all think about this damn Trackhawk, bro. Yeah, I probably could have pulled up a little bit more too, bro. I'm tripping, dog. But yeah, let's get right. Hold up. Hold on, boy. Yeah, I definitely could have pulled up a little bit. Damn, Will, my boy, you're a rookie at pumping gas? What the? Yeah, I usually do the little automatic thing on the gas. But yeah, like I said, see, fam, comment, bro, let me know. So pretty much $6 or $7 for 6 liters. So price per liter, it looked like 117.2, whatever that is. I don't even know what that means, bro. I really don't know. What's up, bro? But yeah, man, so we gonna see how much this boy costs. Yeah, it's a damn blizzard out here, look like. But yeah, man, I don't know. Like I still feel like I'm getting used to like recording in front of everybody still, you know. It's still, I don't know, I still feel weird though, man. I just knowing like people looking and stuff, bro. Feel weird, y'all. But yeah, this boy look good, sir. This color starting to win me over, bro. Low key starting to win me over, y'all. But yeah, let's go back to it. Where we at? 30, pretty much $40 y'all for 34 liters, right? So sheesh, this boy drink gas, you hear me? Like, please, CEEFAM, please. Like, if you looking at getting a Trackhawk, Hellcat, or anything like that, y'all, do not even care about the gas, bro. Like me, I don't care about the gas, because whenever I'm flooring that bit, I don't care about the gas. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. Like, you know, I'm not thinking about the gas. Like, you ain't thinking about the gas when you flooring it, so don't think about the gas when you pull up to the gas station. Straight up, right? Also, sheesh, look at this boy. $65 for 56 liters. So in my Hellcat, y'all, the Hellcat was like what? Pretty much like 60 liters would pretty much fill up my Hellcat, y'all. So yeah, it was pretty much like 70 to fill up the Hellcat, y'all. So we gonna see, and this probably got like 8 more gallons pretty much of gas to the tank. So sheesh, we at 80 ball, boy. That's what it's gonna be like, CEEFAM, to fill this boy up every time. Smooth 80, it seemed like, but we'll see, man. Boy, got the butters on, boy. High Air Force One. But yeah, this boy look good, bro. Satisfied with my purchase, y'all. And I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro, I haven't even thought about the Hellcat since I bought this car, y'all. Like, I really thought I was gonna miss it, but I haven't missed it yet. Dead ass, bro. Like, I have not missed the Hellcat. I haven't thought about it, nothing, y'all. But yeah, this thing just now finished. Hey, make sure y'all boys leave a like on the video, you heard me? I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all been running it up for me, you know. Thank y'all so much. But yeah, all right, y'all, this boy just finished. And me, I like to pump a little more, you know. I like to get all I can get, CEEFAM. All right, I seen that boy come up a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, y'all gotta shake that thing, boy. I don't know, boy. Some of y'all boys rich. Y'all don't shake that, bro. But yeah, let me know how much y'all think, bro. I ain't look at it yet. I'm right here with y'all. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh, $99, bro. It takes pretty much 84 liters, y'all, to fill up. I'm gonna just say 85 liters, y'all, at $100, smooth $100, boy, to fill up the Hellcat, y'all. Well, I'm sorry, damn, see that? To fill up the Trackhawk, damn. I'm not thinking about the car, but I'm thinking about it, you know. 100 ball to fill up the track, bro. That's 85 liters, 84 liters, whatever y'all want to call it. So yeah, y'all boys want these nice cars, and y'all boys want this and that. Be ready to come up off for it, like that boy Ben say. Come up off for it. Shit, $100 every time. But honestly speaking though, y'all, like a good rule of thumb I usually go by, y'all. Like I don't like to let my cars get below half a tank. You're gonna go to the gas station more often, but it'll kind of be the same as you letting it go to E all the time, you know. So once my cars get to half, then I like to, you know what I'm saying, then I like to go fill up, so that way it ain't gonna feel like damn 100 every time. 100. It'll probably be like 45, 50 every single time, right, y'all? But yeah, do not wait till that motherfucker get to E, because you're gonna be sitting at 100 every time. That's just me, y'all. That's what I like to do, CEEFAM. If y'all want to wait, now it's not good to always keep the same gas in your tank too, CEEFAM. All right, so sometimes it's necessary to let all that old gas drain out, all them old fluids drain out, then add that fresh gas in your tank. Right, so you kind of gotta play with it a little bit, y'all. But yeah, that's how much it costs, bro. I'm finna go inside and pay this smooth honey bun, and then shit, get to my haircut appointment, man. I should open the sunroof for y'all boys. Look, I actually bought this too, CEEFAM. You know, I'm a big person, y'all, and shit, invest in yourself, right, y'all? Yeah, it say GoPro, but it's the same thing, y'all. You know, I bought 2 suction cup mounts, man. You know, I'm big in investing in yourself, CEEFAM, right, y'all? So my vision on my plan for this car, y'all, right, as far as the like views and all that, I really want to put one of these right up here on the actual sunroof so that it can face the front, right? That's a good view. And then I want to put the second one, I'm either put it like up there, kind of like facing me, so y'all get all this area of a view, or I might put it like right here so that I can just, you see what I mean? I thought about getting like another little sticky thing and just putting it right here so that it can get this whole area, but I don't know, y'all. So that's 3 views y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see from the sunroof, right, which I think that one's gonna be really nice. Y'all gonna see it shit either up here facing me or right here facing me, right? Or y'all just gonna, I'm gonna get a little stickum thing, and then yeah, just put that boy right here, and then it'll just be right in the middle, you know. So yeah, big advocate, man. These only cost like $39.99 a piece. You know, yeah, it say GoPro, but it's the same thing. I'm using the DJI Action 5, right? So yeah, we gonna get to it, bro. Yeah, let me go in there and pay, and then I'll get back at y'all once I'm done, man. Just got to the barbershop, man. Really wanted to like drive the car around just so we can like let the gas settle and let the tank settle and get adjusted, right, y'all? Because however much miles you see on your dash, right after you actually put the gas in there, bro, it's not the real miles per gallon or whatever it is, your range, pretty much, y'all. You got to drive it, let the car settle and get adjusted, right? So once we did that, y'all, let's see. So I don't know if y'all can see, right? So it looks like let me see. So it looks like the range on the car now is 266 miles, y'all, to the full tank. All right, y'all, we now have 7,000 miles on the car, man, right? Picked it up at like 6,500, had to drive 4 hours back and all that, so that kind of contributed to that. Oh well, 7,000 miles is still good. And then yeah, we sitting at 11.6 miles per gallon, y'all, right? And that's me cruising, y'all. Like I pretty much keep my stuff in the auto mode, y'all, right? So I be chilling, man. Like I said, it's snowing out here too, CEEFAM, so ain't nothing really going on, y'all. You know, nothing too crazy going on, bro. But yeah, like I said, y'all, your boy just parked. Just wanted to show y'all, man, we getting 11.6 miles per gallon and 266 to the full tank, y'all. Like I said, bro, I'd highly recommend CEEFAM. Hey, y'all boys should definitely fill up whenever y'all stuff get to the half tank, because yeah, y'all gonna feel them 100. Now granted, y'all, like even in my Hellcat, I only filled up maybe once a week. Like I said, maybe my job is only 5 minutes away. The furthest I'd probably go is like 20 minutes away and back, right, y'all, to the other base. So yeah, like I said, that's just me. I fill up, well, I'm gonna start filling up whenever this boy gets to half, man. I think it'll make me feel better. in theory, it's the same thing, whether you waiting to get to the empty or whether you just, you know, with one you just filling up a little bit sooner at the half tank. That's it, y'all. But hey, CEEFAM, I'm about to go in here and get my haircut, man. It's currently 1:26. My cut is at 1:30, man. Shout out to my guy CJ's Cuts, pulling up on him for the first time. So hopefully, man, he gonna get your boy right, goddamn. But yeah, I'll holler at y'all next video, man. Probably next video gonna be shit, giving y'all a full in-depth tour, walk around of the car, y'all, right? Every option that we had, and all that, man. You know, giving y'all full in-depth review, CEEFAM. All right, so appreciate all the love and support I've been getting. Almost at 13,000 subs, man. So thank y'all so much. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm C Will, and y'all my CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.